Alright, let's continue with number 8. In the second stage of this reaction, copper 1 sulfide is converted to copper 2 oxide. This occurs by roasting the sulfide with oxygen at high temp. Okay, well, we know what copper sulfide is. We've got that in our previous, what was it, Cu2S. So we've got a copper sulfide. So roasting it, so it must be, well, that's in oxygen plus O2. We're told what we're making copper 2 oxide, so that well, we know copper is, so oxygen is O2 minus, so this must be CuO. We've got 2 minuses here and 2 positives. It's copper 2, so that's our 2 positives. CuO. Ah, must form something else. Yeah, sulfur and oxygen. Well, where's the bad thing again? Sulfur dioxide. Alright. And so now that we've got all this stuff here, what we're going to do. Alright, let's have a look at it. We need to balance this thing. So the first thing, let's have with the coppers. I've got 2 coppers on this side and this side of our reactants and 1 here, so we must have 2. We've got 1 sulfur here. On this side over here, and we've got 1 sulfur there, that's fine. So now what we really need to look at is the oxygens. Well, we've got 2 oxygens on this side and 2 oxygens here, giving us a total of 4. As well, these oxygens are equal to 4. Well, I've got 2 here, but I need 4. So I must double the number of molecules we've got. Alright, the third stage of this extraction, copper 2 oxide, which is CuO, is reduced to copper by its reaction with carbon. Well, what we know is, if we got copper oxide, well, we're going to change it to and we're extracting copper. So we must just end up with CuO. Okay, and what we're reacting to it? What we're reacting with carbon. So it kind of starts looking obvious now that if I've got copper, well, the only other thing I can produce is I need to get rid of this oxygen. And it must be combined with my carbon to produce carbon dioxide. Oh, okay, let's balance it up. Carbon dioxide gives me 2 oxygen molecules. Sorry, I've got 2 oxygen atoms on this side. I've only got 1. I've got 2 oxygen atoms here. I've only got 1 across here. So I must need 2 of these. If I need 2 coppers there, I must have 2 coppers here. I've got 1 carbon there, I've got 1 carbon there. That's it, it's done, it's balanced. Stunning.